Welcome to my channel Creative Math Magic. In this video I showed simple techniques to create 5 different problems of the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. You will be learning how to create all kinds of problems based on nth term of AP. So let's start the video. Here I have taken a series of numbers which form an AP. The first term of AP is 120 and the common difference is minus 8. You will have to take an AP in such a way that the first term is multiple of common difference and your AP must be decreasing. If you notice, 120 is multiple of 8 and the common difference over here is minus 8. If you select this type of AP, then when you go down the series, somewhere you will be getting 0 as the term. 0 belongs to this AP. So my question would be, in the AP, which term is 0? Take any simple AP, either increasing or decreasing. Using the formula of nth term, randomly calculate any 4 terms. Here, I have calculated 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th terms. Now, take the sum of these two terms. I got it as 78. Whereas sum of these two terms is 90. Now the problem would be the sum of 6th and 8th terms of an AP is 78. And the sum of 7th and 9th terms is 90. Find the first 3 terms of AP is the question. Here I have taken a simple AP whose first term is 4 and common difference is 6. Instead of asking to find a particular term, we can make the problem little bit difficult by asking to find the term which is certain number more than particular term. Find the term which is certain number more than a particular term. Here you have to fill this blank with the multiple of common difference. So here common difference is 6. So any multiple of 6 can be written over here. I would like to write 66 over here. Find the term which is 66 more than any term. You can select any term like 19th term. So this is a new problem. This particular statement holds good in AP. According to this statement, in an AP, if m times mth term is equal to n times nth term, then m plus nth term of that AP is always equal to 0. Based on this statement, we can create many problems. For instance, I have taken 8 times 8th term is equal to 13 times 13th term. So 8 plus 13, that is 21st term will be 0. So the question generated on this condition would be, if 8 times 8th term of an AP is equal to 13 times 13th term, show that 21st term of the AP is 0. The following sequence of numbers are in AP. I have taken a total of 13 terms. The first term of AP is 4 and the common difference is 3. From these terms, I would like to develop two conditions. On careful observation of all the terms, we can notice that 13th term is 4 times the third term. So my first condition would be 13th term is equal to 4 times third term. For the next condition, I have taken 9th term and 4th term. The condition is 9th term exceeds twice the 4th term by 2. That is, 9th term is 2 more than twice the 4th term. Based on these two conditions, we can create a problem. And the question would be, the 13th term of an AP is 4 times the third term, and the 9th term exceeds twice the 4th term by 2. Find the AP is the question. So finally, we have created 5 different problems of the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. Subscribe to get more interesting math related videos.